Square or Airwallex? Two powerful payment platforms, but only one will fit your business best. Which one really delivers? On the left, Square, the all-in-one sales and POS system for local businesses. And on the right, Airwallex, a global payments and multi-currency finance stack built for companies that think worldwide. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll see the clear winner, no guesswork. The result? It's probably not what you expect. Let me give you a quick roadmap for what we're about to cover. Think of it as our comparison mind map for 2025. We're checking out global reach and currencies, payment and POS integration, FX and multi-currency stuff, speed and payouts, security and support, plus integrations and tools. Buckle up. First up, global reach and currencies. So here's the deal. Square's got a really solid presence in the US, Australia, UK, and parts of Europe. And honestly, it's super streamlined for local retail and service businesses. But, and here's the thing, when it comes to like multi-currency settlement or direct global banking, it's not really built for that. Now, Airwallex is seriously something. You get payments in over 160 different methods, cover 180 plus regions, and the wallet supports more than 14 currencies. You can even open local accounts in 60 plus countries. I mean, that's pretty wild. Sure, it's not as hyper-focused for the tiny single-location businesses, but for anything global, it kind of blows Square out of the water. Let's talk payment and POS integration. Square is the name here. Like, if you think of those little card readers at farmers markets, it's probably Square. The POS hardware and software is all in one. You get invoicing, staff management, inventory, all bundled. And it just feels seamless, whether you're selling in person or online. It's not crazy global, but for everyday retail, the sweet spot. Airwallex now is mostly about online payments and payouts. There's no built-in POS hardware. So if you want to do in-person sales, you have to loop in third-party stuff. Some might say that's a pain, especially for local walk-in customers. So Square definitely shines here. Now, FX and multi-currency. Square is, well, it keeps things simple for US and EU users. Settlement in USD and UR. But, and this is kind of meh, no like-for-like foreign currency stuff. And Forex conversions can add these hidden costs. Flip the script to Airwallex. You can hold, convert, and transfer in over 14 currencies, get interbank FX rates and live conversions, and you basically cut out those double conversion fees. The catch? You need to actually be working across borders. Otherwise, it's just extra fluff. But for anyone doing real international business, super impressive. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Airwallex was originally founded in Melbourne, Australia before flipping its HQ to go global? So it's not just hype. It's built to handle international from the start. Moving on to speed and payouts. With Square, most transactions land the next day, which is nice. Although, if you're chasing international payouts, they settle to your home currency and may take a little longer. Airwallex pushes things further. Instant or same-day settlements straight into your multi-currency wallet. And apparently, 90% of their global transfers use local rails. So way faster. There is a small catch. You gotta use the Airwallex wallet. But honestly, speed? Huge point for Airwallex. Let's jump into security and support. Square is super PCI compliant, and their US support is robust. I mean, they handle big volumes, but if you're a smaller shop, personalized help might feel a bit distant, you know? Airwallex, on the other hand, gets you dedicated local support pretty much globally from day one, and their compliance for global finance is, no joke, solid. But heads up, their support documentation can get a little technical, so if you just want quick answers, you might have to dig. Still, for sheer coverage and peace of mind, Airwallex comes out ahead. Last category, integrations and tools. Square's POS ecosystem is honestly rich. You've got e-commerce integrations up the wazoo, but tech customizations aren't quite as open-ended as, say, Stripe or Airwallex. And Airwallex, you get APIs for payout, virtual cards, and expense controls. Just a warning, if your life revolves around POS, you need third-party setups. But for flexible, digital-first businesses, pretty nice. Honestly, I'm calling this one a tie. So looking at our scores and the radar chart, you can really see the areas where Square is like king for physical sales and local business ease. But Airwallex, yeah, it bursts out on global, currency, speed, and support. The strengths are super clear. All right, let's wrap this up. If your game is local, brick-and-mortar sales, and you want everything in one tidy box, Square is honestly magic. But if you're looking to spread your wings, go international, manage currencies, payouts, and capital, Airwallex is totally the move. Both awesome, but the edge depends on your ambitions. Want more deep dive fintech comparisons? Stick around and follow for instant insights. Seriously, we dive into this stuff all the time.